In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a draft bill for approval in Xero. We're going to take a draft bill that's already been created and move it into the approval queue so it can be reviewed and finalized by the right person in your organization. This is a quick process, but following each step carefully helps prevent mistakes and keeps your payables accurate and up to date. Start by logging into Xero. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Purchases area in the main navigation. This is where you'll manage bills, purchase orders, and spending. Click Purchases to continue. From here, open the Purchases overview. Think of this as your central hub for everything you're buying. It shows the big picture of what's due, what's pending, and what needs attention, so it's the perfect place to manage bill statuses. Next, open the Bills section. This narrows the view to the bills you and your team are working on. You'll see several tabs that group bills by their current state, which makes it easy to find exactly what you need. Select the Draft tab. Drafts are bills that have been entered but not yet sent for approval. This is a good moment to glance at totals, supplier names, and dates, just to confirm you're working on the correct documents before you submit anything. Find the draft bill you want to move forward. Scan the list and double-check key details like the supplier, bill date, and amount. It's much easier to catch small errors now than after the bill enters the approval workflow. When you've located the right bill, click the three-dot menu beside it. This is the More Options menu that lets you perform actions without opening the entire bill. It's a simple way to keep your process efficient. From that menu, select Submit for approval. This action shifts the bill from draft into the approval queue. Depending on your organization's settings, it may alert the appropriate approver or simply change the bill's status so it's ready for review. Finally, wait for Xero to update the bill status. You should see the status change from draft to something like awaiting approval. This may take a moment as the system processes the update. Once you see the new status, you're done. That's all it takes. You've logged in, navigated to Purchases, opened the overview and bills, switched to drafts, found the correct bill, used the three-dot menu, submitted it for approval, and confirmed the status update. Keeping this workflow consistent helps your team stay organized and ensures bills move smoothly from entry to approval.